Adam Fierstein, the year is coming to an end. What were the biggest biotech stories or lessons from 2011?
Greg, in terms of drugs, diseases, and investors, I would say hepatitis C was the top story of 2011. You had Vertex, Pharmaceuticals, and Merck each launching new drugs. Then there was Pharmaset, which had a stock that rode a rocket all year, culminating in the $11 billion acquisition by Gilead Sciences. The other big story or investment theme in 2011 was disappointing new drug launches. You had Dendreon and Human Genome Sciences each skunked their prospective drug launches in 2011, and that killed the stocks and really soured investors on all drug launches, in general. One of the easiest ways to make money in biotech in 2011 was to short the stock of any company right after a drug approval.
All right, so is that short the drug launch theme something that will carry over into 2012?
I think it will until that trend is broken by a company or two that can launch a drug successfully and beat expectations. Now, as I look ahead to next year, the most interesting or closely watched new drug launches are likely to come from Amarin, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, Vertex with its cystic fibrosis drug, and maybe on the small cap side, I'd look at Transept with its middle-of-the-night sleeping pill known as Intermezzo.
What other big events are in store for biotech investors in 2012?
I'm still formulating my 2012 list, but, Alzheimer's disease is going to reemerge in the news next year with late-stage study results expected from a drug by Eli Lilly and then another drug from Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson. And then obesity drugs are going to be back in the spotlight in 2012 as the FDA reviews for the second time weight loss drugs from Arena Pharmaceuticals and Vivus.
All right. Thanks a lot, Adam.